GM guys, today I want to be showing us how to withdraw our Cats token. So we'll click on Airdrop, we'll click on Exchanges. Now we'll choose Bitget because they promise to give us an additional token on their listing. Okay, so make sure that your Bitget is verified, then click I have it. Then you are needed to paste your UID and your cat address. So you go get the UID, then paste it, then go get your cat deposit address. It is found in, just click add tokens, then click on deposit crypto, then you search for cats, CATS, then we'll copy our address, then also remember that you have to fulfill the criteria needed, and one easiest way to fulfill it is by referring up to 5 persons. You can also do turn transaction in order to be eligible. You can also be an OG in order to be eligible. So these are the major criteria. So you can see I am eligible. So thank you very much for watching. See you guys.